Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hello, I'm OLESYA KWITE, welcome to my new video, and today's video is going to be what I pack for vacation. No, I didn't tell you, yeah, I'm sorry. I'm going for the road trip, and today I want to share with you how I pack for the road trip. I want to tell you that I take this kind of bag and this kind of huge bag with rolls. And let's get started this video. Let's start from packing this kind of carry-on bag. So first thing first, we're gonna start from my iPad. I usually pack it in this bag because I'm afraid to lose it, and for me it's really expensive. Then I take my, oh my gosh, book and my notebook. You know it, of course you know it. Then next, I take all my documents. I have a zip and I put there Bella's document, Bella's passport. Then I have this my travel size cosmetic bag. I put it also there. I put my pencil case. I put two scrunchies, but I put them there in this small pocket. Then I have this kind of small medicine bag. I have two wipes. I have wet wipes and I have usual wipes. So I also put them in the next pocket. Then I have this kind of mask, sleeping mask, because sometimes we are traveling for a very long time. So I also put it in this beauty pocket. Then I have this kind of traveling sleeping pillow. There I put my headphones, my phone, and yeah, that's all that I put in this pocket. Continue putting there. I put my snacks. If you want video about traveling snacks, let me know. I'm gonna share with you. I have bottle. Also I have extra pair of socks. I have two masks. I have this kind of small camera. I have this kind of deodorant because it's really important. Next thing is dog poops pocket, because when I'm traveling with your dog and I'm traveling with my dog. The first thing that I pack is, wait a minute, this kind of bag. We saw it inside my pink or purple bag, that's my dog. But video about what I pack for my dog gonna be the next video, so don't forget to watch it. And in this bag I pack only my makeup, and my bag is done. I put it right now there, but later I'm gonna put it into different place because I'm afraid to break something. So right now we're gonna put all self-care products into a special bag. So the next bag is self-care bag, and I also put it there. I have 3 pairs of shoes. In one I'm gonna go to this trip. I put them in this kind of bags, small bags. I put inside. Turn it off. Very careful because I'm afraid to break something, and do like this. And then I put them there. I saw them in my get ready with me video. So right now we're gonna pack them. I just chose all the clothes that I want to take, and right now we're gonna roll it very fast. I just rolled all my big clothes, and right now I'm gonna just put all these small tops. Next thing that I put small iron. It's this kind of travel size iron. And there I have my underwear, and I have there my socks, and I also try to put it, yeah, like this. The next things are different bags, and I also put them there. There I have some markers, and I put them there on my shoes. I have my backpack, and I also take it with me. Okay. And the last thing that I put in my this kind of huge bag, in this part of this huge bag, is my beach bag. So guys, I just end up packing. I'm very happy that I did it just for 1 hour, and I hope that you liked all my hacks and tips for baking, and see you in the next video. Bye! There, in this huge pocket, I put my phone charger, my camera charger. Also, I usually put their hard drive, external hard drive, but right now I'm working with it, so I can put it. I put other ballot documents and my documents. I put this kind of exercise book. I put my bullet journal and one more book. So we packed our bag. Let's close it. Wait. So guys, we end up packing our bags, and I'm so happy that I could share with you how I pack very fast, and I love you very much. Thanks so much for watching and clicking on this video, and love you guys. See you in the next videos. Bye!